Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I boil my lobster. Here in the pan I have 3 live lobster and they're about 1 1/4 pound each. The first thing you need to do is rinse off the lobster with cold water. In a big pot I will fill up the water to 1/4, and in the water I will add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. And I will mix the salt into the water until it dissolves. And we'll turn on the heat and boil the water. After the water is boiled, we will add the lobsters into the pot. And quickly close the lid. And we will set the timer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the lobster should be cooked. Our lobsters are cooked, guys. Now let's plate them. For us, we like to eat them with spicy seafood sauce. And we also like to eat it with some seafood boil sauce. And for us Asian, we cannot forget about the rice. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in my next video.